Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, traffic.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ari and I'm back with another video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get straight into this video. If you haven't already seen by the title, y'all can see that I am doing a Love Me hair review. Shout out to Love Me Hair for sending me this wig. This is their 22-inch glueless lace wig, and when I say it's glueless, it really is glueless. I didn't glue anything down, and I just have it sitting on my head with a little bit of edges sitting out. So if you want to see how I attained this look, go ahead and keep watching. All right, what's up y'all? So this is how the packaging comes. I think it's really cute. They also gave me a bag of goodies, and so I'm gonna just name a few things. I got the scrunchies, some lashes. I got this weird red thing. I don't know what it is for, but you guys can tell me if you know what that is. I got some press-on nails that I could paint myself, and those earrings. They also gave me a comb, you know, the little, I think it's called a wig comb. I'm not sure exactly what that's called. And I got a care book on like how to take care of the hair and stuff. So this is once you open the box and take the hair out. This is what it looks like. I thought that was cute too. And it comes with a little hairnet on it so it can stay protected. And this is what the hair looks like without me having bleached the knots and everything. I thought the quality was really good. I could run my fingers through it. I could shake it and it just flowed. And this is what the closure looked like up against my skin before I bleached the knots. I thought it looked pretty good. It blended well, but I just did the extra step to bleach them and put the, what is it called? Put my foundation shade on it. So you guys enjoy this video. This is me applying the wig. And if you liked it, please leave a like down below and go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.
Fuck that.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart. Trust from the distance. I think we should rule out the limit for now, cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to leave it. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. You keep falling apart.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Okay guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed how this wig came out and you want to get your hands on this, all the details will be in the description box below. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one.